Today we're going to make pear jam. We started by peeling some on an apple peeler. This is just a quick and easy way. Alright, now that that's done, the finer the cut that you have, the smoother the jam will be. So you've got small flakes, small slices, it's going to be smooth. Thick slices is going to be more chunky. Gadget and juice 2 lemons. Next we're going to add 8 cups of sugar. We need to stir this up pretty good, and it needs to be covered, and it should set for at least 1 hour. Best results will be setting for 24 hours or moderate for 8 hours, but it at least needs to set for 1 hour. Alright, we're going to go ahead. We've waited approximately 2, maybe 3 hours. We're going to go ahead and start stirring this up. Make sure all the mixture, all of it is mixed evenly. You can see there's sugar there. It smells really good. Really, really good. We've cooked this for approximately 10 minutes after it started boiling. You don't want to start that time until it has started boiling. Now we got to mash this up. We're going to use a potato masher. Any kind of blender would work. Just be aware that when you're blending, it's going to build up pressure because it's releasing steam. So if you do that, be safe and make sure it doesn't pop off and burn you. We're just going to mash ours up with a potato masher. Alright, that's what we've gotten so far with the potato masher. We're going to go ahead and boil it for another 10 to 15 minutes. And then put it in the jar. You can break it down quite a bit more than what we have if you choose, but this will work good for us. So as you're cooking this the second time and you're stirring, you're going to notice that this is starting to thicken up. You can allow it to thicken to where you feel comfortable with it, or let it go ahead and reach 220 degrees, and then it needs to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, now that it's gotten to the consistency that we want, we're going to ladle our jars full of the jam, leaving a 1/4 inch headspace. Smells so good. We will then, being very careful to not burn ourselves, wipe top of the jar. After we have boiled our lid, stick our lid on top. We boiled and sanitized our ring. And all this has to be, you might want to grab some kind of paper towel or something to hold on to this and just finger tight. Alright, on to the next one. Alright guys, we've now gotten all of our jars filled. We're going to go ahead and take them out to the water bath canner and can them for 15 minutes with high boiling water. Alright, we've got these in the water bath canner yet again at night, because it is just so much cooler to do it now rather than the hot of the day. Once this begins rolling boil, we'll start a 15-minute timer. I've got a glass jar in there as a space saver. If a person wanted, they could go ahead and put a lid on the jar and could actually can a jar of water for storage as well. I just don't need it at this point in time. So as the last step, we're just going to go ahead and place these on a towel and then cover them up for the night, allow them to pop off. And here's some of the cans already chiming off now.